Today we will learn about a chess trap in Bird's Opening which got its name from the English chess player Henry Bird. Your opponent starts the game with his pawn to f4, which is also called the Bird's Opening. You will reply with your pawn to e5, offering him a free pawn. After he takes it, you will tempt him again with another pawn by playing it to d6. After he captures it, you will recapture his pawn with your bishop. If your opponent plays his knight to c3, then it is a big blunder as you will play your queen to h4 check. Now his only option is to block the check with his pawn. After that, you will sacrifice your queen and take the pawn. After he takes your queen, you will take his pawn with your bishop, which leads to a brilliant checkmate. Please like and subscribe for more videos.